Hey guys, replacing cooler lines, engine cooler lines on this 16 Chevy Express van. See that shiny thing right there towards the middle of the screen? That's my 13 millimeter, or you could say half inch chrome socket. That's where that 13 is. You can reach it from on top here if you get your hand in there with a nice long extension. And then, so I did that, and then I'm gonna go up top, break it loose, take that bolt out, and then pull it out this way. If you have this wire, which you probably do, that wire is secured onto that stud.